Will your existing wire you already have installed work with any underground dog fence system? Let's find out. Hey folks, it's Adam with Outdoor Pet Solutions. I've been installing electronic dog containment systems in the Middle Tennessee area for over 20 years. I created this channel to help folks just like you who prefer to install the fence system all on their own by walking you through how to properly install these systems like a professional and to train your dog properly to stay on your property. A question that I seem to get often is whether or not your existing wire that you may have already installed using another fence system is compatible with other dog fence systems. And the short answer is yes. As long as the wire is in good shape, made of copper, and is rated to be outdoors, it will work just fine with another fencing system. So if you're looking to upgrade, or maybe you're not happy with the company that originally installed your fence system and want to swap it out, you can easily do so by just connecting the existing wires to the new fence system. Why I often get this question from customers, either they're not happy with the product itself or the service that the company they originally purchased from offers has gone down. It's hard to get them to come out to fix a problem or to make an adjustment to the system. So purchasing more user-friendly equipment of a higher quality might be something you're looking to do. If you decide to swap your current system out using your existing wire, you need to consider that that system may function a little differently than what you're used to. So thoroughly educating yourself on how the new system will work and reintroducing your dog to that system is very important. You're not going to be able to just simply unplug the old system, plug in the new system, put the new collar on your dog, and let them go out in the yard as you have been doing so with the previous system. The reason is a lot of these fence systems use different audible tones to warn your dog that they've reached their boundary limit. This audible tone on some systems might be a very low, dull tone, and in other systems it's a very high-pitched tone. With the OPS 1000 dog fence system that I use, the fence collar delivers a very unique zipping noise. It is specifically tuned for a dog's ears, and for those of us that are hard of hearing, it can be difficult for us to hear it. So because these tones can vary from one system to the next, your dog is trained to the current system with that unique warning tone that's delivered with that particular system. If you're looking to upgrade your system and you choose to swap it out, after you've set all the settings appropriately and programmed the new collar, be sure to reintroduce your dog to the boundary. Do this by reflagging the perimeter, apply the collar to your dog, and approach their limitations around the yard, allowing them to hear the warning tone. I highly suggest you do this with the correction of the collar turned off. That way you're free to allow the dog to fully hear the tone without receiving a correction mistakenly and get them accustomed to retreating from the fence like they have been doing previously with the other fence system, but with the new warning tone. And then turn the correction back on as you move through the training process. This training process, compared to the original training you did with your dog, will be much more short-lived and not as drawn out. However, it's still very important to introduce your dog to the new system and that warning tone responsibly. If you're researching new dog fence systems and would like to swap your current system out, we do offer a no-wire option on our website. It comes with all the same commercial-grade fencing components that I use in my professional installations, just without the wire. If you'd like a complete breakdown of that OPS 1000, and comparing it to the most common fence systems that are out there available, be sure to check out this video here. I walk you through each component of the kits, comparing them side by side. And if your wire out in the ground has been giving you issues over the years and would like to install a new system with all new wire, that option is on the website as well. The OPS 1000, whether you order the no wire version or the complete kit, will include my complete detailed step-by-step installation guide as well as my complete training program. This guide will walk you through exactly how a professional installs these systems so that they last for years and years to come, and how to appropriately train your dog using this type of fence equipment. So be sure to click the link down in the description to order your system today, and that price you see online does include ground shipping via UPS direct to you. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye.